Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. See the black box, red Nike check. Same thing all around. Know a lot of y'all might know what this is already. You saw it. But anyway, let's take a look at it. We got the women's Air Jordan 1 RE High OGSL. Now that's a lot. Not really sure what it all stands for, but you see while opening the box, you see you got the plain white paper. That's that for the box. Let's get with the kicks, man. It is the Air Jordan 1 High Women's Satin. Now you see it come with some extra laces. Now these laces are kind of like a off-white. Some might say tan, but they some real flat laces, man. They some dope little laces, man. You know what I mean? I'm feeling them. And looking around the shoe, you see that satin lace in the back, around the ankle, and the heel. See that tumble leather in the middle, that soft tumble leather. On the front, by the toe box, you see it surrounded by that black leather and the satin around the toes. Let's look at the bottom. You know, that orange, translucent, black bottom. I mean, it's pretty much a shattered backboard, just with the satin on it. In my opinion, there's a better look at some of that satin on the toe box. You got some satin-like material on the tongue. Got the white tag with the orange Nike Air. You got that Air Jordan Wings logo on the ankle with the satin. I mean, it is what it is, man. It's a pretty dope shoe for women. Now this Nike check, man, I thought it was satin at first, but it's really threaded. Like the whole Nike check is threaded. You know what I mean? So I thought that was pretty dope. Tripped me out when I saw it. Like I said, you got the satin on the tongue, lining the inside of the shoe. See, you got the orange Nike Air on the inside. And it's a dope little shoe, man. I can't knock it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Like I said, now I'm not sure if this is satin or whatever, but the tongue sure feels like it. There's another look at that toe box. It's all around dope shoe, man. You know, these are the only places where they have satin at. You know, on the ankle, the heel, and around the toe. And on the tongue and lining the inside. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to take a quick look at it, man. You know, there's the inside of the tags, white with the orange writing. Now here's a look at the inside of the shoe. It's lined with that satin material like on the tongue. You know what I mean? So I think it's an overall pretty dope shoe, man. You know, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Feeling them, you're not. You know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying, man? Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button too, man. You know what I'm saying? So we'll continue to do these videos and whatnot, man. You know, but like I said, this is the Air Jordan 1 Satin. I call it the satin shattered backboard, me personally, but like I say, this is the women's Air Jordan 1 High Blase Blase. You know what I'm saying? Satin. Pretty dope shoe overall. You know what I'm saying? So, ladies, if you're in the ones, here's your chance. You know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is. You know, Jordan Brand been coming with a little bit of heat for the ladies. You know what I mean? So, let's see what y'all gonna do with it. You know what I'm saying? So, look, follow us on Instagram and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna holler back.